Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Kawasaki Vulcan S. 650 cc's, lightweight cruiser, twin cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled, and this one's got the accessory windscreen, locking side cases, and it's got that custom seat with the white highlights, 6-speed transmission, beautiful shape. This one only has 4,500 miles. Come on by, make your Vulcan S dreams come true for just $74.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.